Choosing the right MightyCall plan, let's break it down fast. Start with the core plan. It's packed with all the essential features: calls, texts, voicemail and transcription, and caller ID. Call recordings, build any call flow you need, multi-level IVR, customizable user roles and permissions. Perfect if you need a reliable phone system that's fully customizable for your team. Have a supervisor to monitor calls live or run performance reports? Choose the Pro plan. You get everything from core plus real-time call monitoring and advanced reporting tools. Running outbound campaigns? Go with the Power plan. You'll get a preview dialer, progressive dialer, and answering machine detection on top of all the core and pro features. Need multi-line predictive dialing? Talk to our sales team for enterprise pricing. We promise it will not break the bank. No matter the plan, big team, small team, choose the features that match how you work. And if you've got 20 plus agents, reach out for volume discounts. MightyCall is professional call center software made simple.